Have you ever felt a sudden urge to sneeze uncontrollably, your eyes watering and nose itching, after encountering something seemingly harmless like pollen or pet dander? These tiny particles can trigger a big reaction. This could be your body's way of saying, "You've got allergies." It's a common issue that affects millions of people worldwide. An allergy is essentially a case of mistaken identity within your immune system. Your body thinks it's under attack. Our immune system is our body's natural defense mechanism, protecting us from harmful invaders like bacteria and viruses. It's like a personal army. However, in individuals with allergies, the immune system misinterprets harmless substances, known as allergens, as dangerous threats. This overreaction can be quite frustrating. This triggers a cascade of reactions, leading to the release of chemicals like histamine, which are responsible for the characteristic symptoms of an allergic reaction. These symptoms can range from mild to severe. Understanding the intricacies of allergies, from the triggers to the symptoms and treatment options, is crucial. It can empower individuals to effectively manage their condition and lead healthier, more comfortable lives. With the right knowledge and tools, living with allergies can be much easier. Our immune system is an intricate network of cells and proteins that work tirelessly to protect us from harmful invaders, ensuring our bodies remain healthy and functional. When a foreign substance, such as a virus or bacteria, enters our body, our immune system identifies it as a threat and mounts a defense. This defense involves the production of antibodies, specialized proteins that target and neutralize the invaders, preventing them from causing harm. However, in the case of allergies, the immune system mistakenly identifies harmless substances like pollen, dust mites, or certain foods as dangerous threats, even though they pose no real danger to our health. This misidentification triggers an immune response, leading to the release of histamine and other chemicals that cause inflammation and a range of uncomfortable symptoms, such as itching, sneezing, and swelling. The first time an allergic individual encounters an allergen, their immune system may not react immediately, but it starts to build a memory of the substance. However, the immune system remembers this encounter, and subsequent exposures to the same allergen can trigger a rapid and often more severe allergic reaction, which can sometimes require urgent medical attention. Allergens are everywhere, lurking in the air we breathe, the food we eat, and the environment we live in. They can be found both indoors and outdoors, affecting our daily lives in various ways. From bustling city streets to the comfort of our homes, allergens are present all around us. Some of the most common allergens include pollen, tiny grains released by trees, grasses, and weeds that are carried by the wind and can trigger seasonal allergies, also known as hay fever. These allergens are especially prevalent during spring and fall. Dust mites, microscopic creatures that thrive in warm, humid environments and feed on dead skin cells. They are commonly found in bedding, carpets, and upholstered furniture. Regular cleaning and using allergen-proof covers can help reduce their presence. Pet dander skin flakes shed by animals, particularly cats, dogs, and rodents. These tiny particles can become airborne and cause allergic reactions in sensitive individuals. Mold fungi that grow in damp environments, such as bathrooms, basements, and poorly ventilated areas. Mold spores can be inhaled and lead to respiratory issues and other health problems. Food allergens. Certain foods, such as peanuts, tree nuts, milk, eggs, soy, wheat, fish, and shellfish, can trigger allergic reactions in susceptible individuals. Reading food labels and being aware of ingredients is crucial for those with food allergies. Allergic reactions can manifest in a variety of ways, ranging from mild and annoying to severe and life-threatening. The symptoms of an allergic reaction typically appear within minutes to hours after exposure to an allergen and can vary in severity from person to person. Respiratory symptoms: sneezing, runny nose, nasal congestion, itchy eyes, watery eyes, coughing, wheezing, shortness of breath. Skin symptoms: hives, which are red, itchy welts, eczema, which is dry, itchy skin, swelling and itching. Gastrointestinal symptoms: nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal pain, cramping. Anaphylaxis: a severe, life-threatening allergic reaction that can cause difficulty breathing, swelling of the throat, a drop in blood pressure, and loss of consciousness. Section 5. Diagnosis. Unraveling the mystery of your allergies. If you suspect you may have allergies, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and management. Diagnosing allergies typically involves a combination of: your doctor will ask about your symptoms, when they occur, and any potential triggers. Your doctor will examine your skin, eyes, nose, and throat for signs of allergies. Skin prick tests or blood tests can help identify specific allergens that trigger your immune system. Section 6. Management strategies. Navigating the world with allergies. While there is no cure for allergies, there are numerous strategies you can implement to manage your condition and minimize your exposure to allergens. The most effective way to manage allergies is to avoid the substances that trigger your symptoms. Using high-efficiency particulate air (HEPA) filters in your home can help remove allergens from the air. Encasing mattresses, pillows, and box springs in dust mite covers can reduce exposure to these microscopic creatures. Frequent dusting, vacuuming, and washing bedding in hot water can help remove allergens from your home. Section 7. Treatment options. Alleviating allergy symptoms. Several treatment options are available to help alleviate the symptoms of allergies. Over-the-counter or prescription medications that block the effects of histamine, a chemical released during an allergic reaction. Nasal sprays that reduce inflammation in the nasal passages. Medications that help relieve nasal congestion. A long-term treatment that involves receiving injections of small amounts of allergens over time to desensitize your immune system. Section 8. Conclusion. Empowering yourself with allergy knowledge. Living with allergies can be challenging, but by understanding the science behind your sneezes, you can take control of your health and live a fuller, more comfortable life. By identifying your triggers, managing your environment, and seeking appropriate treatment, you can minimize your symptoms and enjoy all that life has to offer, free from the burden of allergies. Remember, knowledge is power, and when it comes to allergies, a little knowledge can go a long way.